everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm just here to show you this little CD mini album that I've made. Just before I do, I'm going to just show you one that I made a little while ago for myself, for my own family pictures and things, just to show you kind of how they look once they're decorated. So this was a little camping trip that we'd done, and I have obviously stuck pictures in here of our trip, and I just wanted to kind of just give you an idea how they kind of look, because they're actually you know, incredibly cute. And I made one for my nan's. My nan is actually going to be 104 in, well, this month actually, sorry, in March. I thought we were in March for a moment. She's going to be 104 in March, so I actually made one of these for her 100th birthday. She probably found the pictures very, very tiny, I have to say, but this I made for our own family pictures, and I just wanted to give you an idea of kind of how they look, and that actually, although they're incredibly tiny little books, you know, they actually are plenty big enough to be able to see pictures and things on them. So I just wanted to give you an idea there before I actually show you the journal, the album itself. So this one is very spring-like colours, very pretty, I think, very pretty. It's all in very pretty yellows and pinks and things. And it's got lots of ribbons here tied around the edge on the rings, just kind of as did my own album there. So this one here, I've popped one of my little fabric hearts. So this was a fabric heart that I've stitched onto some hessian, and then I've layered it up with actually another stamped image there of a kind of postcard on fabric, and stitched that onto hessian and put both of those on the cover here. And it's got a little mulberry flower and lots of little flowers here with oh gosh, what's that stuff called, the pearl drop dot things in the centres. I can't think of the actual correct term, but anyway, and it's got a little bow, so lots going on the cover there. And then going inside the little book here, I'm just going to lower my tripod slightly more, because this actually is quite a tiny book, so my tripod's maybe a little bit high from my last video. So going inside, you've got a couple of photo mats here. This one, it's got some trim here, it's got the word love, and then a little flippy book, so lots of room for photos there. And then it's also a pocket, so there's a couple of little tags there to pull out that you can obviously journal on and stick pictures. And there's also a little label down there for kind of, you know, writing dates and place names and things like that. So that's that one. And then on the next page, there's another photo mat here. Really pretty papers. I mean, they really are, you know, to me, they just say spring and look really pretty. It's got the word observations, you've got more little flowers down here, little bow, and then here it's a pocket. So again, you've got another little journaling card there. And then on the next page, another little photo mat here, and you've got various elements layered up. And then again, another side loading pocket with another, I cannot do things on camera. Another little journaling spot, this time in the shape of a little ticket, just slots in there. And then on this page there is again another little photo mat here. Oh, have I done that? There's two photo mats. It's hard to remember when you kind of come to actually show them. Yeah, so we've got two photo mats here. We've got one off kind of to the side and then one down here. I've fussy cut some flowers and stuck them on there, and the word amazing, and then some layered up flowers down the bottom. And this one's just acting as a little tuck spot for these little journaling cards or photo mats there. So again, I mean, although it's a teeny book, there's lots of room. I mean, I don't know how many pictures I've got in my own one, but quite a few. You know, you definitely could get quite a few in. And it's really nice as well to reuse things. I've talked about this before, reusing books and things. So this obviously really nice to be able to reuse old CDs and things, you know, so they're not just thrown away, because we're such a kind of disposable society. It's really nice to get, you know, breathe new life in. Excuse me, my camera did that thing where it switched off again. So on this page here, again, just got a little book or a flip up here. So again, more room for photos and things on here, and I've just fussy cut some flowers and stuck them into the corners. And this gorgeous yellow bow acting as kind of a tab with this washi there. More layered up flowers, so very, very flowery kind of book, very girly. And then here I've just got this kind of page pocket. I like the way on the CD it's, you know, semicircular. I think that's really quite nice. And then here I've got a big journaling spot, fussy cut some more flowers, fussy cut this stamped image of a bird and put the word beautiful. And then in the side of the pocket, there are more cards for photos and for journaling. So again, more space. And then going over onto the final pages, there is here another little photo mat or journaling spot. And then, excuse me, I've got a sneeze coming. Excuse me. And then it must be those spring colours kind of making me sneeze. And then here I've just got a little journaling spot and the word life, perfect. And then more flowers layered up here. More butterflies and another little bow. And again, this is a top loading pocket, and you've just got a little, again, ticket shaped photo mat or journaling card. And then here on the last page, so the inside of the kind of back cover, there is again a little fold out kind of booklet. So more room for photos or journaling. Lots and lots of flowers around the edge. And here you've got kind of a frame and some fussy cut flowers and stamped images and words, and then this gorgeous little fabric trim and a little bow and a bit of washi as a tab there. And then the back of it is actually just plain. It's just the scrapbook paper that coordinates nicely with the whole of the book. So again, you could kind of do something there. I know that on my one I left that actually plain, but for instance on the front I did actually kind of fussy cut round the tent and stuck that on, so you could do something like that, you know, on the back cover of here. So I hope you liked it. Just a fun little book and nice to do kind of different things. And yeah, I think I've talked about before, I still kind of love my little mini books and things because I think they're just really you know, great way of keeping your photos. And I know that kind of when I get them out, the kids love looking through the old pictures. So yeah, just something kind of fun as a little keepsake. So hope you liked it, and obviously that's going to be listed in my Etsy store. So thank you very much for watching, and give us a thumbs up if you did. Yeah, so thanks very much and have a nice day. Thanks a lot. Bye.